Good morning. In topology, now we are going to see about the fundamental concepts. First, we must know about what is basis in a topology. The capital X be a set. A basis for a topology on capital X is a collection script B of subsets of capital X. The subsets of capital X are also called as basis elements, such that it also satisfies the following condition. For each small x belongs to capital X, there is at least one basis element. B belongs to script B, such that X belongs to B. And also X belongs to B1 intersection B2, where B1 comma B2 belongs to script B. Then there is B3 is also belongs to script B, such that X belongs to B3 and B3 is a subset of B1 intersection B2. Then we say that script B is called a basis for a topology. Next, we must know about the topology generated by the basis. How can we define the topology tau generated by the basis script B? Means a subset U is a subset of capital X is in tau. If for each X belongs to U, there is B belongs to script B, such that for every X in B and B is a subset of U. Therefore, each basis element is in tau. The topology tau generated by the basis B means for every subset U of X is in tau, for each X belongs to U, there is B belongs to script B, such that X belongs to B and B is a subset of U. One simple theorem, let's script B be a basis for a topology on capital X. Here we define the topology tau, which is equal to U is a subset of capital X, such that X belongs to U implies X belongs to B, B is a subset of U for some belongs to script B. This tau is a topology generated by script B. From this, we have to prove that tau is a topology on capital X. So, in tau, we define the open set U is a subset of capital X, such that X belongs to U implies X belongs to B is a subset of U for some belongs to script B. Then we are also show that tau is a topology on capital X. Here a simple example, how can you define the basis for the standard topology on R? We already know the basis script B. In a standard topology on capital R, we define the basis script B by the set of all open intervals of real numbers. That is script B equal to open interval A comma B, such that A comma B belongs to R and A should be less than B, union of minus infinity comma A, union of A comma infinity, such that A belongs to R. Here, how can we define the basis in the standard topology means, we already know one of the important results from analysis, a set of all real numbers is open if only if it is a countable disjoint union of open intervals. So, on the basis of the result, here we define the basis for the standard topology on R is the set of all open intervals of real numbers. In example 2, how can you define a standard topology on R cross R? The basis for the standard topology on R cross R is also given by the set of all open rectangular regions in R cross R. So, next we are going to see an example for how can you define a basis B in a discrete topology on capital X. Capital X is any set, then the basis script B equal to the set of all singleton capital X, such that X belongs to capital X is a basis for the discrete topology on capital X. Now we are going to state some of the lemmas in the topology. Let capital X be a set and script B is a basis for the topology tau 1 capital X. Then we are going to show that tau equals the collection of union of elements of V. Next lemma, let X comma tau be a topological space. Suppose that script C is a collection of open sets of capital X such that for each open subset use a subset of S and each X belongs to capital U, there is an element C belongs to C such that X belongs to C, which is a subset of U. Then we are going to show the C is also a basis for the topology tau on capital X. Another lemma, let us take the two top bases B and B dash from the topologies tau and tau dash respectively on capital X. Then we show that these two are equivalent. Tau dash, under the first condition, tau dash is finer than tau if for each X belongs to X and each basis element B belongs to script B containing S, there is a basis element B dash belongs to script B such that X belongs to B dash is a subset of B. Next, we are going to see how can you define the topology generated by script B on the standard topology R. Let script B be the set of all open bounded intervals, in the real line. That is script B equal to the set of all open intervals A comma B such that A comma B belongs to R and A less than B. Now, this topology generated by this script B is a standard topology on capital R. Next, how can you define the lower limit topology? We already know the script B dash be the, here we take the script B dash be the set of all half open intervals, half open bounded intervals as follows. Script B dash equal to the set of all closed open interval A comma B such that A comma B belongs to R, A less than B. This topology generated with script B dash is the lower limit topology on capital R and is denoted by R dash. Next, we are going to define K topology on capital R. In K topology, let us define K equal to 1 by N such that N belongs to capital N. Let us script B dash which is equal to A comma B, open interval A comma B such that A comma B belongs to R, A less than B, union of A comma B, difference K such that A comma B belongs to R, A belongs to B, A is less than B. The topology generated by script B dash is called the K topology on capital R and is denoted by RK. One of the results that connecting is lower limit topology and K topology. The topologies R dash and RK are each strictly finer than the standard topology on capital R but are not comparable with one another. These are some basic concepts under topology. Thank you.